Hi, my name is Liran Hirschkorn with Amazing Freedom, and I'll be speaking at the Global Sources Summit in October. I've been selling on Amazon since the end of 2014 and started with private label in 2015. Since then, we've been able to build two seven-figure brands, and I'm excited to be speaking at this summit in October, where I'll be talking about how to leverage the power of relationships in your business. And when I say the power of relationships, I mean, how do you leverage relationships with suppliers? How do you leverage your relationship with Amazon to get better deals and marketing promotions? How do you leverage your relationships with your employees to motivate them? And how do you leverage your relationship with suppliers to get terms? I'll be speaking about those topics at the Global Sources Summit in October, and I look forward to seeing you there.